got this Honda Civic doing the sun visor. It just falls constantly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cover off right here. This is just a cover that has some bolts underneath it, or not some, but a couple. Something like a small flathead or a plastic pry bar. Maybe like if you don't have nothing, like a butter knife, a thin butter knife. What we're gonna do is come up here and take this cover off. There's a little spot in the center. You just kind of pop the sides down here, and we want to remove that. Your new visor will not come with this cover, so if you mess up this visor, you're gonna have to mess up the cover, you're gonna have to get a new one, or just go without it. Okay. So there's 2 screws right here. My new visor only came with 1 screw, so I guess save one if your new one didn't come with another one. Just gonna unscrew these. There's one. I'm gonna go in from behind or move the visor to get the other one. Went ahead and move the visor. Oh, this one's stripped out. Someone tried to get it out before, I guess. Actually, that's incorrect. So these screws, you're either going to use a larger flathead to unscrew it, or you're going to have a Torx bit. This is not a Phillips bit. The Torx, a T25 Torx, that'll fit on there. Much better. All right, and then this should just come right out. It has a little hanger spot, so it won't fall out, hopefully. Just go ahead and remove that, like that. Now let's get to our new one. Here's my new one. This is from the dealer. As of this video, some of these visors are on back order because of COVID, so hopefully you can get it. If not, you can get it from like a parts yard. Here's the Honda part number. Like I said, this is from the dealer. Everyone always hits me up in the comments where I got it and what the part number is, so there you go. Here's that nice clarified screen. All right, so I'm gonna unwrap this. I'm gonna put the hook part in first. I'm gonna hook it in and then put this first screw in, and then I'll put this other screw in. When I just put this screw in, I'm not gonna tighten it all the way down. I'm just gonna tighten it maybe halfway, and then I'll put this other screw in and get it halfway, and then I'll come back and tighten them both down. Just gonna get this hook part in first, and then line up the screw there. Halfway, and we'll get the other screw in. And go put this guy in. All right, now that both are in, I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten both of them down. All right, now the other side, move the visor. All right, guys, and then this should just line up, and then there you go. It should work. It's nice and firm, and that's how you do it on this Civic. Thanks for watching. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next video.